Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you should be doing for your hair during quarantine. All these things are really easy and they should be in your regular routine, but I know sometimes like on a regular day you might be too busy or just don't feel like doing it. Since we're in quarantine, you have like a lot more free time. So these 3 things can really help the health of your hair. So go ahead and keep on watching if you'd like to see how you can easily help the health of your hair during quarantine. The most important thing to do is to make sure you're deep conditioning your hair. So these are the 2 deep conditioners that I love the most, and they're both from Shea Moisture. This is the Strength and Restore Treatment Mask, and I've talked about it in my other videos in my, I think it was my curly hair routine. It's my favorite mask ever. And then the second one is Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. Both these are really good and they're not that expensive. And I know I just went to Target to re-up on this one and they still had a lot left, so they're not like sold out or anything. And this one is for natural chemically processed. Ooh! Natural chemically processed or heat styled hair. They both are really good. I like this one a little bit more just because it's thicker and it feels more like a deep conditioner. I think deep conditioning is really important for your hair because it keeps it moisturized. I recommend deep conditioning your hair at least once a week because I deep condition every time I wash my hair, and I wash it once a week. So I deep condition once a week. And this will just improve the health of your hair in the overall because your hair will be more moisturized. Moisture is so important for your hair because if it's not moisturized, it'll be dry and it'll break easier. So make sure you're deep conditioning your hair, especially because you do have a lot of free time now and there's really, you can't have excuses, but if you're just at home all day, and I'm pretty sure most of you are still washing your hair even though it is quarantine, but you should make sure to deep condition your hair. Honestly, deep conditioning my hair helped to grow a lot because it helped moisturize my hair after I shampooed it, and even though I use a sulfate-free shampoo, they still really makes your hair dry. So always make sure you deep condition once a week. Okay, the next thing I recommend everyone doing is to use some type of oil on your hair. That could be coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, argan oil, but for me, I like to use Jamaican black castor oil. And I use this one, and this one is the Black Jamaican Castor Oil from Pure Naturals, Original Dark Moisture and Growth. This promotes healthy hair and skin. I don't use it on my skin, I just use it on my hair. So I like to, the way I use it is, I know some people like to heat up their oils. I don't really do that. I like to just apply it to my scalp and my ends on days that I don't wash my hair. And I don't do it on the first day after I wash my hair. I usually do it on the 2nd, 3rd day because by then my hair, I like to like enjoy my hair for a little bit, and since this is really thick and it makes your hair kind of sticky, so I don't like to just ruin my hair the first day I wash it. I like to enjoy it a little bit. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I actually use it, like an in-depth video, because I've been using it a lot and I've seen such great results. Like this is halfway gone. I need to buy another one actually. And I think I got some like Marshalls, but they're not open right now, but I have seen some at Target. And I know they have it on Amazon, so yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I use it, and what I think of it, and how and I would go like all in depth on how it's helped my hair grow and everything like that. I really do think this is a big factor too. You don't have to use Jamaican black castor oil. Like I said, there's a bunch of different types of oils, even like avocado oil, and I've used olive oil in another one of my videos. But this is what I've been using a lot recently. And this contains vitamin E oil, which is really good for your hair. Helps your hair stay moisturized and shiny, and for sure helps with hair growth. Like I've seen a lot of improvement in my hair with this. All right, the last step is kind of, you gotta be careful with this one, but I do recommend that you trim your hair. And no, I don't mean, well, if you want to, you can, but I don't mean like chop it off. I mean, just trim your ends. I have been trimming my own hair for so long, and I do have a video on my channel showing that I went a little crazy and cut my hair, but I have been keeping up with my trims lately, and you can tell when your hair needs a trim because it'll be more tangled on the ends, it'll be more frizzy, or if your ends are like straight, see my ends are like curly all the way to the bottom, but if your ends are like curly and then straight at the bottom, it gotta go. So right now I can go for a trim now. I haven't trimmed my hair in a while, so yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a video on that as well. I do like trimming my hair, or I probably trim my hair like once every 6 months, but I only cut off a little bit. Like, I don't cut off a lot at all, especially because I've been trying to grow my hair out more. But trimming is important because you can take such good care of your hair, but you still should trim your hair because your ends is the oldest part, and sometimes it does just get dry. If your hair is really old, it can cause you to get more tangles, and so you will for sure notice a difference when you detangle your hair, when you're styling your hair after you trim it, because your hair would just be so much healthier. So I do recommend trimming your hair, and I do recommend getting like scissors specific for your hair, not just using like any kitchen scissors or anything, because these are like really sharp, and they get like a good cut on your hair, so it's just like straight. Other scissors can be kind of dull, so it won't be like as good of a cut. All right, those are the 3 things I think everyone should be doing to their hair during quarantine. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to see a video on any of these. I could do a deep conditioning video, Jamaican black castor oil video, and how I trim my hair. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. If you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Or I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.